Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today we are making sweet and sour pork. This recipe is sweet and tangy and is very delicious. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by cutting the pork into big chunks. Then we cut it into cubes. Now seasoning the pork, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons water. Now mix it together. Now cover it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Next, prepare the pineapple. You can use the can, but I like to use the fresh one. Remove the peel. Make sure to cut the ends off. Then cut the spot from the pineapple. Now use the salt water to clean it off. Then rinse off the salt with cold water. After cleaning, cut it in half. I'm only using a small part of the pineapple, and I keep the rest to eat fresh. Now cut it into cubes. Now cut the bell pepper in half and clean it out. Cut it into strips and remove the white part. Then cut it into squares. I'm using 2 kinds of bell peppers, but you can use one. For the onion, we want to cut into squares and peel the layers. Time to make the sauce. Add 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons ketchup, 5 tablespoons water, and 3 tablespoons white vinegar. Mix it all together. Now add 1 teaspoon cornstarch and mix it in. Now add 1 egg into the pork. Three tablespoons cornstarch and 2 tablespoons flour. Combine everything together. Now heat up some frying oil. Now use the bamboo chopstick to test the oil. When it's lightly bubbling, the oil is hot enough. Now add the pork. Slowly add in. Fry for 1.5 minutes before taking it out, and let it last for a few minutes. Now double fry for another 2.5 minutes. When it's golden brown, take it out. And fry the vegetable for 30 seconds. In the hot wok, add the sauce. When the sauce boils, add the pineapple in. Cook it to infuse the flavor into the sauce. Now add the pork in and add the vegetable in. Mix everything together and it's done.
taste test. Wow, my mouth is watering. The sweet and sour pork is crispy, juicy, sweet, and tangy. It's really good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。